Creating an Oxford Insight account and enrolling in your course. Oxford Insight is a standalone courseware solution. You will use a unique registration URL to create an account and be auto-enrolled in your course. If your professor has chosen to integrate Oxford Insight into your institution's learning management system, you will visit your course homepage and click the link there to be redirected to the Oxford Insight platform. If your professor chooses not to integrate Oxford Insight into your institution's learning management system, they will receive a unique registration link to make available to you on the first day of class. Upon clicking the link in your LMS or using the link provided to you by your professor, you will be redirected to the Oxford Insight platform. This link auto-enrolls you in the appropriate course after you create an account. You must use one of these methods to arrive at the registration page, or you will not be auto-enrolled in your course. Once you reach the Oxford Insight platform, click Register and register with Oxford Insight. Fill out the required information. Be sure to use your institutional email address when creating your account. Upon clicking Register, you will receive an email with a link asking you to confirm your email address. Click the link in the email you receive to validate your email address and be redirected to Oxford Insight. You are now enrolled. Log into the platform and you will see your course on your My Courses homepage. For more information or to book a virtual help session, contact your OUP Customer Success Manager today.